Hello dear students, welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson we are going to learn how to make negative sentences using to be verbs. Dear friends, this is actually very easy. All we need to do is add the word not after the verb to be. That means after is, am, are, was, or were, and the sentence becomes negative. For example, he is at school. Now, dear friends, if we wanted to change this sentence to a negative one, we say he is not at home. You see, my friends, we just added the word not after the verb to be and the sentence became negative. Alright, now let's look at examples for each pronoun so you can understand it even better. We will write one positive sentence and then change it into a negative sentence. For example, number 1, he, positive, he is at the market. Negative, he is not at the market. Number 2, she, positive, she is a teacher. Negative, she is not a teacher. At, positive, it is a cat. Negative, it is not a cat. Number 4, positive, I am happy. Negative, I am not happy. Number 5, positive, we are friends. Negative, we are not friends. Number 6, you, positive, you are a student. Negative, you are not a student. Number 7, they, positive, they are at school. Negative, they are not at school. This is how we make negative sentences using the to be verbs, dear student. Alright, now we have a practice page to review and practice the grammar section. Fill in the blanks with the correct to be verbs and make the sentences negative. And now we have a dialogue. I will read it, so listen carefully and then practice it by yourself after me. A. Hello, are you a new student? B. Yes, I am a new student. A. Are you from this city? B. No, I am not from this city. A. Is this your first English class? B. Yes, it is. Great. I am happy you are here. B. Thank you. You are very kind. A. We are classmates now. B. Yes, we are. And we are not strangers anymore. Now we have some useful vocabulary words with examples. I'll pronounce them and then you should memorize them. Happy. I am happy today. I am not happy today. Teacher. She is a teacher. She is not a teacher. Home. He is at home. He is not at home. Friend. We are friends. We are not friends. School. They are at school. They are not at school. A student. You are a student. You are not a student. Now it is your turn. Repeat the grammar section on your own and make sure to complete your homework. Practice the dialogue several times by yourself and also make sure to memorize the vocabulary. Dear friends, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me continue working sincerely and sharing more useful lessons with you. Dear students, if you would like to take this course in our 1-hour online classes where you will practice live dialogues, get your exercise checked, and receive feedback on your mistakes, and by the end of the course speak English fluently, you can send a message to the email address below for more information and registration. Until next time, bye.